Hi, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this type of double exposure effect in Photoshop, so let's get started. All the images I will be using in this video are linked in the description, go ahead and download to follow along. So this is the image I'm gonna use as our subject. Then I'm gonna use this image for exposure effect. And this is the canvas we will be working on. You can see the canvas size right here. So first step is to select our subject, and you can use any tool for that. I will be using the select subject button. You guys already know why. And once you're satisfied with the selection, then add a layer mask. Now take your subject to the main canvas. Press Ctrl+T to transform. Now it's time to take our forest image to the canvas as well. So press Ctrl+A to select the whole image. Then press Ctrl+C to copy the whole image. Now press Ctrl+V to paste. And press Ctrl+T to transform. Now hold the Alt key and click on the middle of those two layers to create a clipping mask. Now add a layer mask. Select the brush tool and choose a soft round brush. And make sure your foreground color is black. And simply erase a little bit from his face. Now select your subject layer. I'm actually gonna name this subject. Now add a solid color adjustment layer. And here type 808080. Change the blend mode to color. Now add a curves adjustment layer and add some contrast. I'm gonna select the mask again and erase a little more. Now I'm gonna add a solid color adjustment over the main background layer. And simply choose any color for the background. And feel free to make any changes if you want. So that was the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video.